Put the red aiming probe into the machine first. Gently unscrew the fixed screws next to. Put on the light guide arm and remove the treatment header. Paste the transparent tape on the outlet of the light arm. Power the machine. Enter the pulse mode. Click the continuous mode, and open the red aim. Observe whether the red side of the transparent tape from the light conducting arm is at the center point. If there is a deviation, let the light guide arm do not in a natural state, pulled to another angle. If offset, adjust the red aiming 2 fixed screws until the red aiming at the center of the outlet. At this time, the red aim is at the center of the light outlet of the light guide arm. Remove the light guide arm. Use a piece of white paper and put it in the outlet port again to determine whether the red aim is in the center. If the red aiming at the center is complete, if there is an offset, adjust the red aim again so that it will reach the center of the center. Adjust glass tube. The glass tube has the direction of far and near light. Enter the pulse mode. Click the continuous mode. Turn on the red sight. Adjust the power to 5 watts. Take a piece of white paper and put it on the light outlet. And observe whether the printed point coincides with the red sight. If there is any deviation, adjust the 3 fixing screws in the direction of the low beam on the glass tube holder. Until the point marked coincides with the red sight, and the low beam is adjusted. In the same mode, adjust the power to 30 watts. Step on the foot pedal, and observe whether the point on the ceiling coincides with the red sight. If it deviates, adjust the 3 fixing screws in the high beam direction under the glass tube holder. Until the shot point coincides with the red sight, the high beam adjustment is complete. Go back to the low beam adjustment, check again whether the shot point coincides with the red sight. If there is a deviation, go back to the second step, adjust the low beam. Go back to the high beam adjustment, adjust the power to 30 watts again. Check whether the printed point coincides with the red sight. If there is any deviation, go back to step 3, adjust the high beam. Adjust the far and near beams to hit the center of the red sight, and the light source is adjusted.